What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money copying and pasting the links on the internet using Google and having no website. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe. Please like this video. We talk all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So as you see, we're already in the computer. Real quick, again, this is no website needed, no money to get started, a way for you to start making money online. Let's look at this website. It's called Mangools. And as you see here, it's an SEO service tool. So I don't know if you know what SEO services are or what SEO even is. It's a search engine optimization. So this is what allows people to rank their businesses closer to number one on, let's say, Google, for example. We'll use that in this video. So for a video to be a business to be recognized, they have to have SEO services and they need to be ranked. So what you can do with Mangools is you could track your rankings, find powerful backlines, a bunch of things you see here, and people absolutely love it. It's very easy to use. They have support teams and everything of that nature. Just scrolling through here, you can see there's the big brands that use Mangools is Airbnb, Alexa, Adidas, SkyCan, RetailMeNot, Deloitte, a bunch of businesses a lot of people have heard of. So it's a very powerful tool. And what's even better about this tool is that it's literally free. You get a 10-day free trial with no credit card needed. All you have to do is input your name and an email address, and that's it. I don't even think you have to put your name in. So let's take a quick look at this real quick. To sign up for a 10-day free trial, you just need an email address and a password. So if you don't have an account, which you probably don't because you're new here, I'm going to let you go ahead. And a good thing I think you guys need to do is to actually take the time and pause the video, start setting these strategies up as we're going through this video. So pause the video, go over to Mangools, Mangools.com. Sign up for your free account. If you want, I'll leave a link in the description for you to go ahead and click and sign up. Again, no credit card required. And I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to make money. Yeah, I said that right. This tool to make money. No website or anything like that. But I want you to follow these strategies step by step. Otherwise, you won't see results. So again, pause it, go ahead and go over, pause it, go to Mangools, log in, create your account. Wait a few minutes, you're going to get a confirmation email. So fill all this out. They'll send you a confirmation email, accept that confirmation email, and then you'll have access to the inside of the tool. Once you get back from doing that, we'll be inside of the tool. All right, everybody, we're back. We're in the tool. You should have signed up by now. Again, if you haven't signed up, pause the video, go to Mangools.com, link in the description if you would like to just use it that. Otherwise, you can just search it. This is what your dashboard will look like. So if you're just sitting in here, you're wondering how you're going to make money. Well, see right here, this tab that is called, it says affiliate. You're going to want to click that tab. Anybody new to this channel, you probably don't know what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is when you partner with a program such as this or a product or software and you get it in front of an audience. And if that audience buys that product, you receive a commission. So you're an affiliate for the company or the software. Essentially, you're a referral partner or a marketing partner. And what you would do in here is you would go over to promo materials, and they give you, this is your affiliate ID, and these are your affiliate links. Essentially, all you have to do is copy this link and get it in front of an audience. And you're probably wondering how to do that. And I'm going to talk about how you can do that. But I'm going to go over the benefits first of you being an affiliate for Mangools. Mangools.com, and I want to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see plans and pricing. So as you see here, on average, their monthly plans, those are annuals. Let's go monthly because most people go month to month. As you'll see here, their premium plan or the basic plan, let's just go with the middle ones, the highlighted ones, the best value. Let's say it's $62 per month. Their affiliate commissions pay you. So let's go ahead, you're an affiliate, right? So let's go ahead and open up the affiliate program, and you can see that they pay a 30% commission. So let's go right back real quick. 30% commission on $62 is going to be what, roughly $6, $12, $18, we'll say $18, $19 every single month that the members that you bring in through your affiliate link, you'll get a commission for. So you get $18 a month for every single person that comes to the program. Essentially, if they're a premium member. Obviously, some may have an agency, some may be basic, but you get 30% commission for each of these. So let's go ahead and go back into our dashboard. We'll go to our affiliate tab, and we'll go to our promo materials. Again, these are the links you're going to want to promote. So now you're wondering, how do we get them in front of people? And I also want to make it very clear that if you see how much potential that has, if every member you have, it gives you $18 per month, you essentially, imagine if you only have, like if you get 100 members, you have $1,800 per month passive reoccurring revenue or commissions, profits actually, if you're not running ads or anything, that just pays you month after month. So it's an income stream that's completely passive that just keeps paying as long as your members continue to be members with Mangoals. So let's go over to Google and I'm going to show you how you can find some of these people for free. So let's say you want to look in a city, a big metropolitan city or something like that, or even small cities. Just type in the city name. And I'm typing Houston, like Houston, Texas, and I'm gonna type the word like chiropractor, right? So I'm gonna look for local businesses. It could be any business. It could be restaurants. It could be dog businesses. It could be tattoo parlors. It could be fence builders. Any service-based providers, plumbing companies, people that want to rank on Google, which would be almost every business in the world. So if we take a look here, you'll see these people are already ranked. And then you'll see a few in the front, but as you start getting closer to the bottom, a bunch of these people probably don't have any optimization or they don't really know what they're doing. So what you would do is you would just click on one of them, and you don't want to click on ones that are paying for ads because they're probably paying somebody to run ads. They probably have a marketing team that already know what they're doing. But the ones, the farther down you go, like maybe at the bottom of page 1 or even on page 2, you could reach out to these companies and be like, hey, I noticed I found your business on Google, or I come across your business. It looks like you have a really good business, but I was having a hard time finding you on Google. And then you could offer your, we'll talk about that later in this video, but you could offer the program to them and I'll show you how. So come in here and immediately I see an email address, a contact us button. And some websites, it may not be on the top. It may be down here on the bottom, or they'll have a contact us page. But like how they have contact us, it probably has an email address there as well. Not every site is going to be laid out the same, but as you see right here on this website, their email address is provided directly to you. And again, the way this works is you just have to get your affiliate link from Mangoals, this link in front of them, and essentially if they decide to purchase, then you'll receive a commission every month. And so what you would do in order to get in touch with these people is you would just find a way to contact them, preferably through email, and just send them an email over from your personal email account, or you could create a G Suite email account. And you could be like, hey, I'm like I said earlier, my name is Austin. I was looking for chiropractors in the Houston area. I came across your page on maybe Facebook or something. I came across your page and it just build a relationship and be like, but I was having a hard time finding you on Google. And then just let them know, I know we had the same issue maybe with our business or whatever it may be. I know it's hard for a lot of people to rank on Google, or they don't know how. I came across a tool that has helped our business be able to rank on Google, or a tool that I think will bring a lot of value to your business to help you rank on Google. So just make it your own, be very personal, so that way they know, like, and trust you. And then you could attach that tool, that link. Just take the link, you literally click copy, and you'll paste it inside of your email, either in the first email or inside of the second email when they respond. You could either first tell them, hey, if you're interested, we have this software that I've partnered with. However you want to word it, that's totally up to you. But that's essentially what it is. And this isn't the only way to do it, but this is a great program to come on to. Like I said, it's 10 days free trial, so it costs you no money to get started. You can start getting those affiliate links, and you can start reaching out to businesses. And in that 10 days, if you could start making some money as an affiliate, then you could decide if you need to get a plan or anything like that. And it goes for the customers as well, your potential members, like say the chiropractors. You send them the link in the email. You'd be like, look, I can give you a tool absolutely free for 10 days to see if it will benefit your business. If you get no value from it, you don't even have to put your credit card in. You don't have to worry about it. It's a wash. But if you do like it, go ahead and sign up. And I really hope you get value from it. So as always, everybody, please subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the content. And if you want real good step-by-step directions on affiliate marketing and a good affiliate partner to partner with, I'll leave that in the description below. And thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.